Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to delete an extra page in a PDF. Removing unneeded pages helps you organize documents and reduce their overall size, making them much easier to share. Whether you have blank pages or outdated information, this essential skill ensures your PDFs are precise and professional. We will cover the quick methods available to achieve this task efficiently and easily. The very first step is to open your PDF document using a reliable editor, like Adobe Acrobat Reader or a similar program. These applications provide the necessary tools to modify your files effectively. Just locate your PDF and double-click it, or use the Open with option to select your preferred application. This sets the stage for making your desired changes. Once your PDF is open, navigate to the Page Organization or Tools menu, usually found in the top toolbar or sidebar. You might see an icon resembling 4 small document pages, perhaps a square divided into 4 sections. Clicking this option will display all the pages of your document as thumbnails. This visual layout helps you easily identify which page you wish to remove. In the Page Organizer view, click the thumbnail of the page you wish to delete. To remove several pages, hold down the Control key on Windows or Command key on a Mac and click each additional page. After selecting your pages, find the Delete icon, often a small trash can. Click this icon, confirm your choice if prompted, and the selected pages will then disappear from your document.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.